Ready to have some fun? Let's do it.
The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space is if you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
Hey yo everybody, welcome back to the Oh My Mod channel. I'm your host Om, and today I'm bringing you guys something new. I have recently found myself with an allotted amount of time because of the coof, the Rona, and I've recently taken up Dutch pouring, and yeah, here's my first one. I hope you guys enjoy. I apologize if some of the angles came out weird because I had to maneuver while I was filming, and also I noticed some of my paints were a little thicker, but I love the results. So regardless, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you smash like and subscribe. Hope to see some new faces around the channel, and have a good day. Chickadee, chickadee, ciao.
I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way.
Waiting for the time to pass me by. Binging in my sentimental mind. Damn. Still holding my feelings in. I'm still wondering if you care. I was taken so for granted. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Words fall. and see what's sharpening your nut. Acting like you own your breathing love. Your nonsense in the end. Make sure you live on your sense. My trust is permanent damage. Do you even believe it when words fall? Words fall. Words fall. Do you even believe it when words fall? Words fall. Just say that.
I want to get you to try being creative on canvas. Just to take your time and sit down, have nothing in mind when you start. Just have a good feeling and be happy and in love with life and the world, and sit down and begin playing. And if you feel good about yourself and the world, it'll show in your painting, and all these little things will happen.
Chickadee, chickadee, chow?
Don't forget what you had.
The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space is if you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.